Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. Here on the channel, I recently promoted a product called RIMS version 4 on Warrior Plus. As you see here on the screen, yesterday that product made me $117.64. I did that all in one day with one video. I'm going to show you how simple that was to do, how to put it all together, and how it all sort of broke out as far as the full promotion goes. So to start out over on the channel, of course, if you go under content, you'll see the list of videos. Now, the majority of this, or that $117 and change, actually came from one video. I did create 3 videos to promote the actual product all in total. I'll show you the complete revenue that was generated and the way that I tagged those videos for that promotion. But this is the video right here, and simply all you have to do is click on Analytics to see what happened inside of this video. You can see that the video had 168 views as of today right here. And it generated a revenue of $4.90, which is additional revenue from the $117 that I actually made from the promotion of the product. Now, this revenue doesn't occur if you're not monetized, but once you are, it's a nice addition. Now, starting this is quite simple. Of course, if you go here to details and you actually want to see the video, you can click on this link right here. It'll take us over to the video on YouTube, but inside of the video details, you simply just put in the information, and of course, you add something like you see here. And when you see the video, you'll see that this link is going to be clickable, and it's really just that simple. Just put the link that you want to direct people over in the video, in the description, the pinned first comment, after you make the video, and then you create a call to action and you say, click the video. It really is that simple. There's no reason to make it any more complicated than that. All right, now let's check out the video as you would see it when you're watching it here on YouTube. You can see here is the video, and again, like I said, click the link to get RIMS Volume 4 and bonuses, and you can see the page right there. Also, the exact same thing here in the pinned first comment. Simply click on that link. It's going to take you over to a Groove page. This is basically a bonus page or a landing page that I developed and created as a bonus page. And if you watch this RIMS Volume 4 video and click on the link, you will see this page. And this page can easily be made by you if you want to follow this exact same strategy. And that's the reason I'm sort of just showing you this step by step, so you can really see how simple this is. This can be done with a free account over at groove.cm. There will be a link in the description to grab your free account. You can play around with that. It's not the best, but it's getting there, and it is free, and you can play with it, and you can learn how to do these types of pages by simply watching videos that I do here or searching YouTube for other videos, and simply just learning how a page builder works, and you can get started with all this for free. But back to promoting RIMS Volume 4. Simply, you see right here, there's a link right here. You click on that link, it takes you over to the RIMS Volume 4 sales page. And if you look closely at that link down there in the left-hand corner, you'll see the link to Warrior Plus, and then you'll see the last slash, and you'll see the word YouTube. This is a tracking ID that you add to a link on Warrior Plus. There's a video here on the channel. I'll go ahead and link it up in the cards. You can check out how those tracking IDs work and how they can actually make you more money, because you know exactly where your traffic's coming from. And in this case, it came from the video that you see here. This landing page that you see here is linked from that RIMS Volume 4 video. That made me this $117.64. Of course, you come down here and you click on your affiliate daily stats. You'll see your stats for the day. And of course, if you check out RIMS Volume 4 right there, if I was to change this to yesterday, you'll see here RIMS Volume 4, 10 hops, 11 sales, $117.64. Now I'm going to click on this and I'm going to show you how the promotion came together for all of the pages and the additional 3 videos, as well as my email list, which is made up of subscribers that I've gotten right here using the free traffic here on YouTube, making the exact videos just like the one you're watching right now. So you come up here to view, drop down, we'll just go all time, and this will show you the full promotion, of course, $271.20, and you can see the tracking codes here, YouTube, and then YouTube affiliates don't know, and YouTube leads to loot, as well as email. So it's just that simple to do this kind of promotion. Track exactly where your traffic is coming from. And on your YouTube video, when someone's watching it, it'll be this link right here. Again, done freely with Groove pages. And then when you come back to the video details, you can see here, you just simply copy and paste that link right into the description. And then again, here under content, you can see that video right here, the RIMS volume 4 review, and then leads to loot and losing out on commissions. These basically just had a cloned page inside of my Groove Pages portal, and I simply just cloned that, changed the tracking link, and then made that call to action just like the call to action that I'm going to make right here. Because the simple fact is, putting this all together is simple. It's actually pretty easy once you learn how to do it. But if you don't know how to do it, it can be challenging. There's no doubt about it. But after seeing how simple this is to put together, of course, I do have a training that I recommend that shows you exactly how to do the video that I did there, making reviews, and also the strategy that I follow here on the channel, which is reviewing all products, whether they're good or bad, and giving you my opinion on them. And to get the details on that, click on the link in the description. It will take you over to this page, how to generate thousands of free visitors and turn them into raving fans without lying or selling misleading products. And you can simply click here to watch the web class. And of course, that web class is going to cover 3 secrets. And those 3 secrets are going to come from the webinar host, Philip Barman, the creator of Taking Action Online, and the Advanced Traffic Blueprint, which is the blueprint that I follow here on the channel, doing the reviews that you see. And again, just like it says, you can generate thousands of free visitors and turn them into raving fans without lying or selling misleading products. As I think you can tell here on the channel, I follow that headline to a T. It is part of the ethos. It is what I stand for. I'm not here trying to sell you something that I wouldn't buy myself or something that I wouldn't use myself in my own business. Link in the description. Check out this webinar. Check out the Advanced Traffic Blueprint if you want to learn more about exactly what you just saw and how I was able to generate that $117.64 that I just circled right here on the screen. Link in the description. Check out the Advanced Traffic Blueprint. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.